In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership on Hostinger. This is an important step if you're looking to manage your domain's DNS settings, link your domain with other services, or simply ensure that you have complete control over your online presence. Let's dive into the process and ensure you have a seamless experience. First, we'll need to log into your Hostinger account, so go ahead and open up your browser and visit the Hostinger website. Once there, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, then click Login to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry, you can use the password recovery option to reset them. Next, from your dashboard, navigate to the Domains tab. This section lists all the domains you currently own or manage with Hostinger. Find the domain name you wish to verify and click on it. This will take you to your domain management area where we can dive into the specifics of domain verification. In the Domain Management section, locate the DNS Zone tab. Clicking on this will direct you to the page where you can manage your domain's DNS records. This is a crucial step because we'll be adding a verification record here. Hostinger might require you to verify your domain through a specific record type, commonly a TXT record, for the verification process. Now, proceed to click the Add Record button. A form will appear, prompting you to fill out details related to the new DNS record. For the record type, select TXT from the drop-down menu. In the name field, enter the @ symbol. In the Content section, you'll enter the specific verification text provided to you by Hostinger. With those details filled out, hit the Add Record button to save this new TXT record. Great job! You've now set up the verification record, which helps Hostinger confirm your ownership over the domain. It's crucial to be patient as the DNS changes typically take a little time to propagate. This might be anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours, depending on several factors. Once enough time has passed, return to the domain management page and look for any notifications or updates regarding your domain status. Hostinger will usually notify you if the verification was successful. If you haven't received confirmation within a few hours, you might want to check if the DNS record was correctly set up and try reapplying it. And there you have it. Verifying your domain on Hostinger is that simple, yet it's a vital step to ensure you have authorized control over your domain. By following these instructions, you'll be set to take advantage of all the features and integrations that require verified domain ownership. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hosting!